Hey guys, today I will show you how to show Dota 2 FPS. FPS shows how smooth your game is and helps diagnose stutters or performance drops. First, open Dota 2. Click the gear icon on the top left to open settings, then open game. Scroll down until you see the miscellaneous tab. Enable display network information. Your FPS will appear in the top right corner during a match. You can also open the console and type sil_show FPS 1. Quick tip: if FPS drops below 60, lowering shadow quality gives the biggest performance boost with minimal visual loss. And that's how to show Dota 2 FPS. Thank you so much for watching.